welcome to my channel. And in this video, I will show you how I did my Danganronpa Junko makeup. If you're interested in how I did this look, then keep on watching. Without further ado, let's start the video. Alright, first thing we need to do is put on our wig cap, and I will put in my contacts before I do my makeup. I got these lenses from Uniqso and I will also link them in the description below. Yep, here's me struggling to put in the contacts, but I got it and this is what it looks like. And now I'm putting in my other contact. I really don't know why, but I really started to cry and I had to wipe my tears a little bit. But now we can start. And we will start by applying our concealer again. I'm usually applying my concealer all over my face and then I'm blending it. Once I apply my concealer, I apply my translucent powder. And I'm blending that all in. Now our base is done and we can start with the eyebrows. I'm using a relatively dark brown on my eyebrows, and at the ends of my tails I am using a darker brown shade. And now I'm defining and cutting my brows with concealer. And don't forget to blend the edges. Now I will do my eyeshadow. And I will start by applying a red shade all over my lid. And it was more pigmented than I thought it would be. But yeah, now I'm using a darker red shade on my crease and I blend that all in. I also add some black eyeshadow into my crease and blend that all in. Now I'm making a cut crease with my white eyeliner and I'm filling that all in. I also added some white eyeshadow on top of it so it wouldn't smudge. And now I'm adding some black eyeshadow on top just to blend that all in with the cut crease. And here's what it looks like so far. Now I'm spraying my brush with some setting spray so I get more pigment off my highlighter, and I'm applying that all onto my cut crease. Now onto eyeliner. I'm doing a normal wing again and filling that all in. Alright, and then there's me realizing I put in my contact the wrong way. I'm dumb, I'm sorry. But I changed it really quick and it was okay. Back to where we left. I'm doing my new lower lash line with eyeliner. And then I wanted to apply some blush, but there was black pigment on the brush again. I just don't learn from my mistakes. But I got a new brush and I applied it with that one. Back to eyeshadow. I used all my eyeshadows I did on my lid, also on my new lower lash line. And I put a little bit on the nose. Now I am blending that all with my blush brush. And I'm adding some more red eyeshadow onto my new lower lash line because I just didn't have enough on there already. And I'm also darkening the edges with black eyeshadow. And now I fill in the spot between my actual lower lash line and my new one with the white eye pencil. See the difference it makes when you apply that? Now I go over my eyeliner again because it really tends to get brighter when you apply eyeshadow on there and white eye pencil, so I just go over there to make it black again. And now I'm drawing my 3 big eyelashes. And on the other side as well. Here I just really wanted to add a little bit more blush on my nose bridge. And now I'm drawing the red eye of the Monokuma onto my left cheek. Make sure to draw 2 spikes on top and 3 spikes at the bottom and round the spaces in between the spikes. Here I added the red body paint I used for the eye also on my eyelashes. And now I'm outlining the eye with black eyeliner. Now onto the lips. I start by applying concealer all over them and blending that all in. Now I use my red lipstick again, and I was really scared to do that again, but I put a little bit in the center of my lips and just smudged that with my fingers. And then I added a little bit more red onto my center again to make the middle part of my lips pop a little bit more. Yeah, I was happy I didn't ruin my lips. But now I also added some red eyeshadow onto my lips to give them a little bit more pigment. And now it's highlighter time. And I'm putting that all over my face. Now onto the lashes. Also a little tip, if you just started to cosplay, I really recommend eyelashes because they make such a huge difference, and once you get the hang of it, they're really easy to apply. And now I use my white eyeliner to highlight the certain parts of my face. I highlight my eyelashes, my eyebrows, my nose bridge, and a little bit of my lips. And now you're done with the makeup. The last thing I did was apply my lip gloss, and I was finished. You made it to the end. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you all enjoyed. If you want to see more content like this, then like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And for more cosplay pictures and videos, check out my Instagram and my TikTok. The links are in the description below or on the screen. Hope you all have a nice day.